I still remember that night, I almost lost a deal because I couldn't find a reliable supplier fast enough. The endless emails, the unanswered messages, the guessing. If you've ever felt the same pressure trying to source for your business, stick with us, because today we're breaking down how Alibaba.com changed the way we search for suppliers, compare options, and actually get things done. All right, Sam, now before we get into anything on screen, I want to hear the story, like what actually happened that night. Honestly, I almost lost the deal because I couldn't find a reliable supplier fast. Endless emails, unanswered messages, just guessing at who was legit and who wasn't. And I feel like anyone who's actually tried to source products for their own business has been in that exact same spot. Every single one of us. So if you've ever felt that pressure, stick with us. Today we're breaking down how Alibaba.com changed the way we search for suppliers, compare options, and actually get things done. So walk me through it then. What did sourcing actually look like for you before? Slow, really slow. I'd send inquiries and wait days for a reply. Half the contacts I found online, I couldn't even verify. I had no idea if I was talking to a real factory or someone just in the middle of taking a cut. And time is money, especially when you've actually got a launch date already on the calendar. Exactly. Let me pull up my screen and show you where I start now. This is Alibaba.com. It's a leading B2B marketplace with a global network of over 200,000 verified suppliers, active buyers around the world, and reach across 200 plus countries and regions. So the moment you land here, you're already inside a serious sourcing ecosystem. And you can already see how much cleaner this actually is versus digging through random contacts. Okay, say I'm looking for something specific. How do I actually know the supplier is legit? Great question. Let me search a category and I'll show you. As soon as the results come in, look at these badges. Verified supply tags, supply response times, audit indicators. That gives you a quick read on who you're actually dealing with before you send a single message. So you're filtering out the guesswork right at the search stage. Right, and when I open a listing, you'll see low minimum order quantities here, sample options are available on many listings, and the pricing is factory level, which matters a lot if you're trying to keep your margins healthy. What about protection on the order itself? That's where trade assurance comes in. It covers one-time delivery protection and quality guarantee, and a lot of suppliers offer customization for branding, packaging, and product specs, so you can actually build your own product line, not just resell. All right, this is the part I've been waiting for. Show me the AI side. This is AI mode on Alibaba.com. It's basically like an AI sourcing feature built right into the platform. Watch this. I'll type in something natural. I need a reliable manufacturer for water-resistant outdoor backpacks. And it just goes to work? Yeah, it starts pulling relevant supplier matches and product options, filtering based on what I described. So instead of me typing keywords and scrolling for an hour, it's shortlisting verified suppliers and giving me category level insights up front. All right, but what about the actual outreach part? That's usually the slowest step. Look at this. AI will draft an inquiry message to the supplier based on the conversation. Here's the draft it put together for me. I can review it, tweak it, and then send it on my own terms. So it's doing the heavy lifting on the shortlist and the first draft, and you stay in the driver's seat. Exactly. Okay, one more. What if I actually see a product somewhere online and I want to source something similar? What do I do then? That's exactly what Alibaba Lens on Alibaba.com is for. Let me switch over to Chrome. So this is the Alibaba Lens Chrome extension. I'm adding it to my browser from the official page. Once it's installed, I can browse any web page, find a product image, and activate Lens right on that image. And that sidebar is filling up with matches. Right, similar wholesale products, match verified suppliers, priced in USD, all in the sidebar. I can do a side-by-side comparison without leaving the page I was already looking at. That's a huge shortcut for anyone doing product research or even trend hunting. It genuinely saves hours. Before we wrap up, is there anything else people should know if they're placing their first order? Two quick things. On most listings, you'll find sample availability and order customization. So packaging, branding, product specs, adjustments, all doable before you scale up. And there's 24/7 customer service and after sales support, which honestly is a big reason I even feel comfortable placing orders here in the first place. Alrighty Sam, close us out mate. What should people do next? If you're ready to source faster for your business, check the link in the description to visit Alibaba.com and download the Alibaba.com app so you can start sending inquiries directly to verified suppliers today. And drop a comment below telling us what product you're planning to source first. We genuinely love to hear it. See you in the next one.